Hi, this is Project One Wiki from CS50 Web. So this is a website that emulates the Wikipedia page. So in the index page, you can see in the middle of the page, all the entries, which are the articles written with its titles. So you can actually go to click on any of them. For instance, you go to Git and you see the entry page. You can go to CSS and see the CSS page, Django, and different entries. So if you go to any of them, for instance, CSS, you can see that it is displayed a HTML code that allows you to see the different elements. For instance, this link, which is an a tag, and, with the HTML value inside, and so on. But the file is actually stored in a different syntax. It's called a Markdown syntax. This syntax has the value of being easier to store because it's a lower. It stores less bits of information. The program automatically converts it to HTML to show it here. So as you can see, you can go to Git and it's HTML and everything HTML, which is also HTML. If you go to any of them, you can edit the entry. If you edit it, you will see this form that is auto-populated with the original Markdown content. So you have the title and then the content. You can edit it by just saying, for instance, 3 of them and CSS files can be linked as a reference inside HTML files, and then send. If you click on send, it will take you to the original entry and it will show you the updated file. As you can see here, it already automatically updated the file. Also, you can go to create new article, which are on these links here that are accessible from any place of the page. Create new article shows you the same article, but instead it shows an empty article. If I wanted to make an article for CSS and send it, it will tell me that it already exists. So I have to do something else. For instance, Apple, and then I would write something. It is a computer company created by, and then something like Steve Jobs, and then send, and it will take you to the entry that we recently created. You can also go to random page, which will prompt a random article, including the recently made Apple one, and that is because it takes from all the entries that are currently in the files. You can also search, and if you search, for instance, you will search within all of these files. So for instance, Django, it takes you to the Django page, but if you write Django, it also takes you to the page because it's not case sensitive. If you write something that is not similar but within a substring of any of these titles, for instance, there's a G here, another G here. If you just search for G, it will show you Django and Git because both of them contain a G. So app search, it shows you Apple because there's only one possible answer to that search. So basically this is it. Thank you very much.